See, a 3 by 3 matrix has elements such that its trace is 11, right, and determinant is 36. The eigenvalue of the matrix are all known to be positive integer. The largest eigenvalue of the matrix is. So trace is 11 means lambda 1 plus lambda 3 is equal to lambda 2 plus lambda 3 is equal to 11. Alright, and its determinant, then product of eigenvalue is equal to, right, 36. Then which are the numbers? One is 6, right, 6 and 3, then 2. 6 plus 3 plus 2 what? 11, correct. 6 into 3, 18, 18 into 36, right. Why I choose an all positive? It is given all are positive integers only. Then these are the numbers possible for eigenvalues, lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3, alright. So out of this is which is the highest eigenvalue? 6. Then which is the option? Option D is correct, right? Alright.